My full name is Charlotte Hardwell and I'm getting criminology with applied psychology. I got a first class with honours degree. I never got the chance when I was younger, so I got to an age and I was like, is now or never. When I made the decision, I was a single parent with 2 children, but it never put me off. You know, I thought it would be a good way to set a good example for them, seeing me going into education, especially with my son being in secondary school. Being in university with sort of having children, was quite the experience. It had its ups and downs, but overall it was fantastic. The kids were fantastic. I developed a lot of confidence to get out there, to be around people more. I made so many amazing friends, both with staff and students as well. It was just a fantastic experience. I'm really nervous because it's a big day, but amazing to get through the end. I never thought I would make it to the end. There were times when I was like, I can't do this, but I just kept pushing, and now I'm here, graduating. You're saying goodbye to a lot of people that you met, and you've gone through a lot together. You know, this whole experience, you've grown together, you've learned things together, and you see, you know, people are leaving and going off back home or to jobs. So it is quite sad because I loved it. I did love the university experience, and I'm going to miss it. Even now I miss it. I miss doing the research and being around, you know, the people that are going through the same things as you. The structure. I'm going to miss the structured life of being a student because with children I had to be very organised. So yeah, there's going to be many things I'm going to miss. I just got a job at a local secondary school in Penglais, so I will be enjoying my summer and then beginning in September.